The journey of New India, from an independent nation to a self-reliant India. From the smoke-belching, slow-moving trains of the past to the modern, high-speed Vande Bharat Express of today, this transformation reflects the changing face of the country. Nearly a decade ago, it would have been hard to imagine India having railway stations of international standards. It is now a reality that India operates modern trains on par with those seen in developed nations. However, the government of India turned this dream into reality and changed the look and future of Indian railways. In this journey of transformation, the country received its first indigenously built semi-high-speed train, the Vande Bharat. On February 2019, India's first Vande Bharat train was flagged off from New Delhi to Varanasi. Since then, Vande Bharat trains are rapidly connecting every corner of the nation. The Vande Bharat train now symbolizes India's identity of self-reliance on the global platform. And now, we witness the historic occasion of the simultaneous launch of 9 Vande Bharat Express trains. These 9 trains reflect the renewed energy, rising confidence, and ambitious spirit of New India in this Amrit Kaal. These 9 Vande Bharat trains will operate on the following routes: Udaipur Jaipur, Tirunelveli Chennai, Hyderabad Bengaluru, Vijayawada Chennai, Patna Howrah, Kasargod Thiruvananthapuram, Rourkela Puri, Ranchi Howrah, Jamnagar Ahmedabad. Compared to earlier versions, these 9 Vande Bharat trains now feature more comfortable seating, improved aesthetics, better placement of charging points beneath the seats, and several other upgraded passenger facilities. With enhanced features, these Vande Bharat trains will offer passengers a faster, smoother, and more comfortable travel experience. They will promote tourism, economic growth, and socio-cultural activities across 11 states. They will also create new employment opportunities for the youth. These trains will make it easier for citizens to explore and reach India's culture, heritage, and religious destinations. Vande Bharat trains are already highly popular among the general public, and more than 1 crore passengers have travelled on them so far. In this Amrit Kaal, the Vande Bharat trains are playing a crucial role in shaping the new India of the dreams of 140 crore Indians.